You've probably seen an ad for the Utua credit card and thought, wait, is this real or just another sketchy online offer? Well, today we're digging into what Utua actually is and whether you should trust it. Before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, let's start with the basics. Utua isn't a bank or credit card provider. According to their site, utua.com, they act more like a middleman, linking users to various credit card offers and financial products. Now, here's where things get murky. A Reddit thread in our scams shows people questioning if Utua is even real, especially after clicking their ads and receiving strange follow ups with no clear lender or approval process. One user even described it as feeling like a phishing funnel. And as of now, there are no ratings or reviews for Utua on Trustpilot, which is a bit of a red flag for a finance-related platform. So, is the Utua credit card offer legit? Technically, Utua isn't a scam, but it's not super transparent either. It's just a referral site, and where they send your info isn't always clear. If you're looking for a real credit card, you're better off applying directly through a trusted bank or credit union. Have you come across a tool or clicked one of their links? Drop your experience below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.